Natural Language Searching for the Advanced Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. In 1950s science fiction, a person sits at a giant computer, types in a question, the computer clicks and flashes, and spits out a card or a stream of paper that contains the answer. That is a true natural language search. You ask a question, you get an answer. This is not what Lexis, Westlaw, and Bloomberg Law natural language searches do. These natural language searches are word searches that pull up documents that contain your search terms, just like Boolean searches, but because you don't need to know the Boolean search connectors, only the natural words used in spoken language, these search engines are called natural language. The original natural language search engine took the words in your search and eliminated the noise words, those words too common to be considered part of a real search, the, in, of, etc. Next, they weighted the remaining words in your search by how common they were in the database, with less common words weighted more heavily. The systems then counted the instances of your terms in the documents and maybe how near the words were to each other, and returned a short, relevancy-ranked list of documents that contained the greatest density of search terms, especially uncommon search terms. Early Lexis natural language searches actually had features that let you see how your search terms were applied in the search. You could see why you got your results and where your search terms occurred. These legal research systems are constantly improving. Current Lexis and Westlaw natural language searches are variations on the original natural language search with some artificial intelligence incorporated. Some of how these systems perform are trade secrets, and some parts of their algorithms are protected by patent law. But you can get better search results the more you understand how the system reacts with your search terms. Lexis Natural Language tries to retrieve all potentially relevant documents. The system is designed to let you get the same results whether you filter your results before or after searching. But if your search is likely to retrieve a large number of results, it's a good idea to target your search by jurisdiction or practice area before running your search. Westlaw Natural Language is sort of a relevancy ranking search on steroids. Given that it is harder to identify what you forgot to ask for than it is to remove what is returned that you don't want, Westlaw automatically adds words and phrase variations, terms commonly associated, and classifications from the West Digest topic and key number system. This sometimes gets you search results that don't actually contain any of your search terms, but it also eliminates many documents that have some of your terms but are not relevant to your inquiry. Relevancy ranking now includes relationships between documents and document characteristics, doing a better job of bringing potentially relevant documents to the beginning of your search results list, but you still need to look at more than the first result returned by the search engine. Don't forget, we still don't have the natural language search of the 1950s science fiction. The document that everyone else doing research on this subject looked at may only be a small piece of your answer. Whether you are using a Boolean search or a natural language search, legal analysis usually involves a synthesis of a number of documents. Be sure to examine a number of documents in your results to find those that work the best for the research tasks you are performing.